In this video, I'm going to talk about a lazy way to make money online by uploading simple videos on YouTube. If you follow this method, that you can make money in 3 different ways. I'm going to walk you through entire step-by-step method. So watch the video until the end. All of the things that you're going to use in this video is completely free, and this method works worldwide, guys. As you see, I put in a keyword on YouTube that you can see royalty-free background videos, not music, background videos. That you can see there's a lots of channel doing a background videos, so they upload these background videos, royalty-free background video. Particularly this channel, you can see this person has a 24,000 subscribers, but this video is getting around nearly 100,000 views for this video. That you can see no copyright background nature videos, no sound, no music. If you open this video, that you can see this is the video that you can see no copyright background nature video, no sound, music, and from this channel this advertisement is playing in front of his videos, right? Again, so you can go to YouTube and search again royalty-free nature videos. These are the channels that are doing it. Some of them have a 1-hour videos, 2 minutes, 5 minutes videos, that you can see it from here. You can make this video within 10 minutes using free softwares and free website without spending any money of your own, guys. And if you started to build up your audience, you can make money in 3 different ways. I'm gonna walk you through step by step. So if you really like this video, click the like button on the bottom of the videos. So all you have to do is you have to go to this website. Is called pixels.com. Again, like Pixels, there are other websites you can obtain royalty free background videos for free, that you can use it for your own use or commercial use without getting any copyright strike, guys. So in the nature space, these are, you can see, it's a 4K quality videos. Some of them are 10 seconds, some of them are 30 seconds long. All you have to do is click open these videos and you download to your computer. You can see this is the 30-second videos that you can download into your computer. That you can see here, this is my editing software. I use Wondershare. You can choose any free editing softwares on online or offline, guys. That you can see this is the first video here, and this is the second video, and this is the third video. For this video I keep it simple, and you can see on here, instead of going silent, I am going to be adding background music. That you can see I opened that background music from pixabay.com here. Now what you have to do is you have to combine together to make a one single video. You can see after you combine both together, you're gonna make a 1 minute and 30-second videos. You can go smaller, you can go bigger, it's up to you. So I'm keeping simple, like 1 minute and 30-second videos. After I did that, what I did is I uploaded one of my YouTube channels. This is the video here. You can see I put the basic title, no copyright background nature video with music, free stock footage. On here I put the link. This is the link, video 1, 2, 3. So if they like this video 1, they click this link and it will automatically take them for pixels.com here, so they can download it. So what happened is you are driving traffic back to pixels.com, so they don't give you any copyright strike because you are giving them free traffic for them, guys. So all you have to do is you give them a free in the link on the description, so they click the link and they will go and they download the pictures or videos or music for them. Here what you have to do, you have to keep uploading video like this on your YouTube channels. You can see here, this is the video I uploaded just now, okay, today, 1 hour and 80 minutes. You can see this is the video I uploaded now. I already have a 6 views from that, guys. 6 views is harder to get with the 20 subscribers. When you started to upload consistently on your channel, so you started to build up your audience like a subscribers, and you can start to receive views from that, guys. When you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hour watch time, you can make money from YouTube. Again, what you have to remember, this is depend on the niche. For this kind of niche, you can make it between $2 to $3 per 1,000 views, not that much. So you have to have more views and to make lots more money from it. But this is a method 1 to make money. There's a method 2 where you can make money is by affiliate program. So what kind of affiliate program that you can run, for example, is about videos and pictures, right? So you can go to website like a Shutterstock or any other website that's selling videos and pictures, right? So what you can do, you can compile it, make a high quality videos, and you can promote Shutterstock affiliate program or any other website that you can see every single sale you're gonna get 20% commission for that, guys. So if you sell the picture, videos or music, you're gonna get 20% commission from it. So you can run an affiliate program, but when the early start, first grow your YouTube channels. When you started to gather enough audience, then you can promote this affiliate program. This is the method 2. The method 3, basically a print on demand. Basically what you have to do, go to Canva, create a design. So if you are only uploading nature related videos on YouTube, you can create this simple design and make a t-shirt design, stickers or bags or water bottles or something like that, that you can upload it on a Redbubble, Teespring, Zazzle. Then you can put the link in your description. People can buy it. You can make a royalty from this website, guys. They will print, they will ship, and you can get royalty for that, guys. So those are the 3 ways that you can make money from it. And the 4th way, if you have a big YouTube channels, say for example, if you're uploading these videos and you have more than 50 to 60,000 subscribers, like this person 24,000, and you can see here 162,000 subscribers, then you can do partner program with other brands. You can promote their product by putting a link in the description. You're gonna get commission for sign up or if the people buy anything from that, guys. So that is a possible way to make money in the future, but in order to do that, you need to have a larger audience, guys. I hope you understand this basic method. Basically what you have to do, you're gonna go to a website like pixel.com or any royalty free website where you can download these videos, combine together, upload it into YouTube with or without music, and you're gonna build your audience. You're gonna make money from YouTube or affiliate marketing or print on demand. Possibly in the future, if you have a big YouTube channel, you can make from partner program, guys, like with other brand. If you really like this video, leave a like in the bottom of the video. Have a good day. See you next video, guys.